Hi everyone, Sam for the Bodycentre here on this lovely Monday morning. Now we're not outside our head office up the top, it's crazy up there, so we'll come down over the road outside these units which are for sale. Anyway, we've got this brand new Jaguar E-Pace in this week. It's got some large impact on the back. As you all may know, we are the Jaguar Land Rover Approved Repairer. So let's go behind the scenes and show you what really happens. There's Drew, bringing the new parts over. Ready for the panel beaters to use that to line everything up. Thanks, Drew. So, we're back down the panel shop with Matthew. Cut a long story short, we've already been down the panel shop. We went over to Matthew, had to straighten the metal before we could obviously then do the repair. Now, unfortunately, when we straightened the metal, we couldn't gain full access to the lamp panel underneath the quarter panel. So we got the quarter panel quite straight, but like I say, underneath we couldn't quite get. Now because of that, we had to then change the complete repair process. We went back to the start, we stripped the car much further down, and we're now going to fit a new quarter panel to this car. This is the best process that we can follow, and exactly how Jaguar say it should be done. So we're not cutting any corners. Let's get in the workshop and see how Bunner's getting on.
Have it down, let me.
So, as you can see, we've removed the damaged quarter panel. This is the section here, the lamp panel, which I explained about we couldn't get straight enough to be able to repair. So, as you can see, we're now in the process of replacing that. It's now tacked into position. We're now going to clean up the rest of the panel and get this welded on. shop. As you've seen, young Lewis, a new member of the team, he's applied all the primer. We're now going to knock that. He's actually already knocked it down. He is quick. He's already knocked it down, and we're now going to go through to the paint shop. Marty's now taking the door off to make it a bit easier for the guys to mask up when we get into the paint shop. See you in a bit. So, we are now in the booth. Adam's now bagged the vehicle up, we're now masking out all the areas. Ollie's already done the parts, the bumper and the door in booth 1. They're all now lacquered and done, so we're now going to jump in here. As usual, using the best brands there are in the paint shop. Speedstecker 480 line. Should be a great finish, it will be a great finish, I know it will. Another quick one, I would like to apologise for the state of the booths. I can't give anything away yet, but you'll see. So the Jaguar E-Pace is now complete. As you've seen throughout this video, we started off in the strip and fit stage. Stripped the vehicle down for all the parts necessary to move through to the panel shop. Now, we had a bit of complication in the panel shop. A section of the lamp panel underneath the panel was unable to be straightened to a high enough standard. So we went back to the insurance company and we said that we need to fit a quarter panel to this car, which is exactly what we've done. Now, as you all know, we are the Jaguar Land Rover Approved Repairer, so this repair was followed by the method supplied by Jaguar and exactly how it should be done to perfection. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages. And if you're watching on YouTube, click that bell button so you can see all our up and coming videos first.